In this video, we will see how to use sequence function to generate list for odd numbers, even numbers, and even learn how to exclude the multiples of 5 in a series. To get the list of odd numbers, type equal to sequence function, first value as 10 for the 10 rows, second value as 1, to indicate that we need data in one column, third value is 1, which means our series will start from number 1, and last value is 2, which is the key here. It tells Excel to increment each subsequent value in the sequence, close the parenthesis and hit enter. Now odd numbers series is ready. Same way we can generate the list of even numbers. For that, type equal to sequence, inside parenthesis, type 10 for the 10 rows, then type 1, to indicate we need the series in one column, then for third value we need to type 2, which means our series will start from 2, and for the last value, type 2, to increase the sequence number by 2, then close the parenthesis and hit enter. Now list of even numbers are ready. In last example of this sheet, we will see how to use sequence function to generate the list and exclude the numbers which are multiple of 5. For that we will use filter function along with sequence function. Type equal to filter, then as a first value, type sequence with 100 numbers inside it, which means 100 numbers are provided to filter function. Press comma, and then for the second value of the filter function, we will give the filter criteria, which is mod function. Mod will return a remainder, and if it's divisible by 5 means it will return 0, so we have to use non-zero value as a return value, then close the parenthesis and hit enter. Now list is generated. And as you can scan through the list, you will see we don't have 5 or any number which is a multiple of 5, like 10, 15, or 20 and so on. I hope you find this video helpful. Please be sure to like this video and share it with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe down below. See you in the next video.